Hello everybody, this is Gooby's Fan Collection here. Today I have a Quorum natural ceiling fan. This fan is in the glossy rosewood finish and polished brass. Also worth mentioning is that I finally have another fan rig so that there will actually be more fan videos for this time. And Charlie wants to say hi as well. Without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate the light kit. These two lights have incandescent bulbs, and while these two have LEDs. I took them off the Sears. I also got that from Restore. I'm going to make a video on that at some point. But back to this. I'm going to demonstrate this on the low speed. This fan is insanely quiet for what it is. And I'm honestly surprised that the owners got rid of it because it's a glorious fan. Alright. Medium speed. That would be my cat. As you're seeing already, that this fan can blow a lot of air at this current speed setting. The blade pitch is roughly around, I want to say 12 degrees, and the motor seems to be very strong. And I'm speculating it might be a 172 millimeter. If not, maybe a 153, just a slightly more powerful version. No, he just fell. Oops. Show you what it looks like with the light kit on. And high speed. This high speed is much faster than what my Furio has. And the Furio has lighter blades than these, so I would assume that this has a 172 motor rather than a puny 153 millimeter. Brother wanted to take my keys. You want to take my car to the store. Now you know that this fan has a slight motor hum. I don't even think it's from the motor. I think it's just this thing missing a screw. And these shades, something loose. But it doesn't really disturb me because it's not as loud. It may seem loud as my phone records very, very sensitive audio. I don't know. Here's the light. Yeah. This thing is just gorgeous. However, I do plan on selling it on Marketplace or eBay. So if anybody in Oklahoma wants this fan, hook me up. I will literally sell it to you. Alright. And a spin down, which might take forever, considering this fan's bearings are in extremely good shape. Like, there's no bearing noise whatsoever. Like, this might as well be the most best fan in my collection. Now, I might be selling this fan, but I'm going to put the clear tulips that are on the Sears instead of the frosted ones, because I feel like this fan looks much nicer with frosted, no, not frosted, clear tulip shades. But I'm also might just find my square bevel glass, because I have a couple right over here that I need to... I really don't want to get rid of those, but they look so nice on this thing, so I might as well. They also look really nice in the Sears whenever they have the original blades on. Those are the Furio blades. I also did put the Quorum blades on the Sears because they also fit, and yeah, they're extremely heavy. So the Sears struggled a little bit, actually spin slower. I feel like this fan would spin a lot faster if it had 4 blades rather than 5 because of how dense these blades are, and plus of their extreme blade pitch. Like, they're super aggressive and can move a massive amount of air. I'll just, as it's slowing down, put on the lights again for the last time. You may notice these blade screws are also different. That's going to be different whenever I get to selling it because, one, I'd rather have brand new screws on this thing, and 2, it's just better that way to have new screws all throughout. Well, this is going to take a good long while, so I might just end it right here. Thank you guys for watching, and just kind of be patient on the next video because I don't really have a lot of fans. But if I get anything new and I have the time to put it together and put it on the rig and stuff, I'll record and post it on YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.